Welcome to Technologist. So today we will see when we start to server manager showing this error. The application was unable to start correctly. This 135 error code is showing. So we will learn how to troubleshoot this. So I will just click OK. Go to the command prompt. Run as administrator. Here I will run one command. For you guys, I will mention this command in description. You can just copy paste it. Press enter and see. So generally this error occurred when your .NET is not properly installed or it is not working properly. So you have to use this command, and with this command you can install .NET again. So it will work or not. Let's check it out. Now don't forget to type exit. Now I will go and check my server manager. Now I will check my server manager is working or not. Here is my server manager. See, it is working fine. So in this way you can troubleshoot this error. Please subscribe to Techno-Analyst. Please. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Please subscribe to Techno-Analyst.